would be possible without you guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the Kings Basketball Friday edition. And now, the first team to be called, the Goals Project. I'm sorry, the Auriga Bowlers.
Okay. We call on the first team. Team Auriga. Okay. Wearing jersey number 22 from Navotas City, Engineer Anthony Del Pasio. Wearing jersey number 1, Dennis Lim from Antipolo City, aka Mr. Greenwood. Wearing jersey number 6, Gentry Villaflores from Bulacan, Maknoy ng Alcosay. Wearing jersey number 3, Pat Javier from Bulacan, Mr. Loverboy ng Plaridel. Wearing jersey number 25, Joshua Carino from Bulacan. Wearing jersey number 01, ang batang-bata, Ike Benaobra from Quezon City, Kulot ng Dubai. Wearing jersey number 31,
May nagsisit na po ba ng right shield?
jersey number 31, Derby Dakasi from Dagupan City, Pangasinan. Manager ng overall na, si Boss. Wearing jersey number 9, ang sentro ng Auriga, Mr. Ariel Castillo ng Amadeo Cavite.
Team Lud, stay po tayo. Kayo po ulit ang next game.
Ito pa ang isang batang-bata,
Pwede ang first team ready.
wearing jersey number 2, Migo Moreno from Navotas City. Ito na, wearing jersey number 3, Awel Galvez, best tattoo artist ng Dubai. Wearing jersey number 15, Bilson Sakay Magic from Nueva Ecija. At ang team leader nila, no other than John Christopher Abay, wearing jersey number 12 from Lucena.
Fourth one, next game, Baligan versus Elias. Fourth two, Omega versus Lud. Ready po na mga R5 team captain.
And now, the Goals Project. First player to be called, jersey number 18 from Caloocan City, Hinolanga. From Cavite City, jersey number 22, Mark Padilla. From Zambales, jersey number 9, Ryan Atradas. From Big City, no other than Mr. Lover, jersey number 7, Boji Bonzon.
R5 Baligan,
From
Elias
Cavite City also,
ready po ng
jersey
R5.
number 11, Ron MVP jersey number 25, JD Pontanilla. From Davao City, jersey number 9, Mr. Rio. Jersey number 5, from Laguna, the Prince, Jeff Bacarce. Jersey number 69 from Batangas City, Jai Corrales.
Court 1, R5 po na validan. Ready na po.
Jersey number 24, panalo sa semifinal from Davao City, my brother Ajay Gatchalian, and their team leader from Bicol, jersey number 17, Gatsan Rock Dalatan, and that is the Ghost Project. Our referee from Rio, Jeff Chris, and of course, from Pampanga, Victor. After the case, first of all, we'd like to call our
Ayan,
Flores
ready na po sa court 1.
First up, the one of the Jack Cats
Po,
from
ready po ng R5.
Bench. Gandang lalaki. Sexy na rin siya.
Una sa lahat, congratulations na kagad kasi both of the teams nakarating sa final.
Ate May, ano daw pong number mo?
Congratulations. Sana ganun din ang mangyari. Close fight. Diba? So, good luck both teams.
Ball, may ball pen po. Ball pen ang ball pen.
Ayun, good luck. Sino ang mas
Thank you, Sir Bench. Palakpakan natin si Sir Bench from Merch Cloud. Of course, ang palakpakan natin, ito na, ang Commissioner ng Friday. Commissioner Salural. Kaka-champion mo lang, sir.
Boy, ball pen, boy!
Maraming salamat ulit sa inyo lahat. Championship Games Season 3. Powered by Kings Basketball. Okay. Both teams, una pa lang, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Akalain nyo, nasa finals kayo. Congratulations. Ito.
Kailan R5 ako na po?
Basketball is basketball lang.
Team Omega, ano po ng R5? Omega and Good.
Hindi naman lahat perfecto. Kaya kailangan natin i-intindihin sila. Kung merong problema, lapit kayo. Maayos na. Ano lang, once again, congratulations. And good luck,
More
both teams.
po, Team
Boss,
Omega
ito,
and
red.
Team Lud. Lud, pasok po ulit.
Dito, dito.
Ito lang ha, sasabihin ko sa inyo. Respeto lang tayo, respetuhan tayo sa pera at sa ano. Meron na yung pwede na pag-usapan kung saan tayo matapos. Para iwasan natin at saka awanin na ito.
R5 po, Team Omega and Team Lud po.
Pag nandito namin ang station outside. Laro lang tayo maayos. Play a basketball. Be a group sa tayo. Thank you.
This is the of course, and to all fans who are here. Ito na. This is the moment for Friday. Let's go. Let's block. Let's block. Kamay tayo. Good luck, guys.
Team TL. TL Abad, TL Malatan. TL Rod, TL Malatan.
Gangster versus Flex in favor of Gangster. Next game, Validas Elias.
Okay. Okay. 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes tapos tayo sa... Pasan mo rin tayo. Hoy, magpilihan pa kayo. Pilihan daw. Okay. First 5 ball teams. AJ Bilimura. JJ! JJ! Bilimura!
Part 2, next game, Q5 versus Flex.
Okay, first 5 ball teams. Ang mapulot ng dalag natin. Sian, Chris, Serafin, Abab Conti. Okay, first five naman Liga Link, Javier, Calves, Tunyang Flores, Carino,
All
Balatan, De Bolonga, Fontanilla, Bunson, si Jai Corrales.
Warning, Team Gangster.
Here we go! Let's start the ball game!
Parete na po, Validas versus Elias. Pasok po tayo agad after the game. Again, R5 po ng Elias. Kailangan na ng
First two
upuan.
points goes to Girls Project for 2. Javier ang layo ng tira.
Elias, R5
Wala.
na tingin po
Out of
sa
bounds back. Team Girls Project 2-0. Goes on. Run by the Dogs. Jai, bitawan yung bola.
Validas, pasok na po. Elias,
Girls
pasok.
Project for